Managing diabetes often feels like solving a complicated puzzle. When you try to figure out what foods can help you stabilize blood sugar levels naturally, the solutions can sometimes seem elusive or overwhelming. But here's a surprising secret that's been hidden in plain sight all along. A certain raw vegetable that can make a big difference when it comes to keeping those blood sugar spikes in check. This humble vegetable, often found in almost every kitchen, may hold powerful benefits that many people still haven't explored fully.
Before we continue, I'd like to tell you about diacetyl, a powerful blend of 13 natural ingredients, each carefully selected for their proven ability to support healthy blood sugar levels, enhance insulin sensitivity, and promote overall wellness. You can read more on diacetyl.com.
This particular veggie, which is often overlooked when people think about diabetes-friendly foods, contains certain compounds that can potentially lower blood glucose levels. Researchers have spent years looking into how natural dietary changes can support diabetes management, and what they found about this vegetable is fascinating. It's not just another salad topping. Studies have shown that eating this veggie raw can have a significant impact on reducing fasting blood sugar levels. Scientists believe that its potent antioxidants and special enzymes might work together to help boost insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar, all while keeping the body functioning at its best. Now, what's this vegetable that's hiding in your pantry? It's the onion. Yes, something as simple and commonplace as an onion can have powerful benefits for those managing diabetes. This often underestimated kitchen staple contains a wealth of compounds that might make it a surprising ally in the fight to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. But why raw? Why not cook it up with your favorite meal and caramelize it for that sweet, rich taste? While cooked onions certainly still hold health benefits, studies show that when eaten raw, the onion retains more of its blood sugar regulating power. Research has pointed out that the sulfur compounds and flavonoids present in raw onions are what seem to make the magic happen, improving insulin activity and helping the body metabolize glucose more effectively. One study, published in the journal Environmental Health Insights, tested the effects of raw onions on people with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Researchers observed a notable decrease in fasting blood sugar levels among participants who consumed raw onion extract. In other words, raw onions didn't just add flavor to a meal. They appeared to actually improve participants' blood sugar profiles in a measurable way. The natural compounds in raw onions, like quercetin, seem to help improve insulin production and sensitivity, making it easier for the body to use glucose. Quercetin, an antioxidant found in abundance in onions, plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation, which can in turn improve the way insulin works in the body. There's something inherently comforting about the simplicity of onions, isn't there? Yet their role in supporting diabetic health shouldn't be underestimated. Onions are also incredibly versatile. You can slice them up and add them to salads, enjoy them with a light dip, or even sprinkle them raw over cooked dishes to get that extra crunch along with all the benefits. The real key is to keep them raw. So if you typically shy away from the intense, pungent flavor, try mild varieties like red onions, which tend to be less sharp than their white or yellow counterparts. The good news doesn't stop there. Raw onions are not just beneficial for blood sugar, they also bring along other health-promoting qualities. They are low in calories and high in vitamins C and B6, which help in reducing oxidative stress. Onions' natural prebiotic fibers, called inulin, serve as food for the beneficial bacteria in our gut, which further aids metabolism and may indirectly assist in stabilizing blood sugar. By promoting a healthy gut microbiome, raw onions contribute to better digestion, which is crucial for overall metabolic health and proper glucose utilization. A lot of people overlook just how much of an impact something as simple as gut health can have on managing diabetes. When our gut bacteria are thriving, our entire digestive system works better, And when our digestive system is working better, the body can more efficiently handle glucose and insulin, two key players in managing diabetes. Onions' prebiotic content feeds that good bacteria, helping to make your whole digestive system function like a well-oiled machine. It's like giving your metabolism a little tune-up with something as simple as adding a few slices of raw onion to your plate. Beyond the physical health benefits, there's something else that's intriguing about onions, and that's their link to reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is often an overlooked factor when it comes to diabetes management. Essentially, oxidative stress is what happens when there are too many free radicals in your body and not enough antioxidants to keep them in check. This imbalance can lead to inflammation and damage, which can make diabetes symptoms worse. The antioxidants in onions, including quercetin, help neutralize these free radicals, supporting overall health and protecting the body from damage that could otherwise make diabetes harder to manage. The sulfur compounds that give onions their distinctive taste and smell are the same compounds that make them so effective at managing blood sugar levels. These sulfur compounds can have a direct effect on the pancreas, the organ responsible for insulin production. When consumed raw, the sulfur in onions helps enhance the release of insulin, enabling better blood sugar regulation. These compounds work almost like a gentle nudge to remind your pancreas to keep doing its job. It's fascinating how something as simple as a vegetable can help boost the efficiency of your body's natural systems. Of course, not everyone finds the idea of eating raw onions appealing. If you're worried about the sharpness of raw onions, consider pairing them with something that can balance the intensity, like a squeeze of lemon juice or a sprinkle of fresh herbs. The acidity from lemon juice can mellow out the pungency, and the freshness of herbs can make the onion a bit more palatable. Even something as simple as soaking onion slices in water for a few minutes can help take the edge off, without sacrificing too many of the health benefits. If you can manage to get just a small amount of raw onion into your diet each day, it could make a significant difference in your overall glucose control. Interestingly, the power of onions isn't a recent discovery. Cultures around the world have been using onions for medicinal purposes for centuries. Ancient texts have referred to onions as an all-purpose healer, used to treat ailments from digestive issues to skin infections. The fact that this vegetable, something so unassuming, can still be a valuable asset in modern health is nothing short of amazing. By tapping into this age-old wisdom, we're not only making better choices for managing diabetes, but we're also reconnecting with traditions that prioritize natural, holistic health. Another thing that makes onions particularly convenient is that they are accessible and inexpensive. Unlike some diabetes-friendly superfoods that require a trip to a specialty health store or a hefty price tag, onions are easy to find in almost any grocery store and can fit into any budget. This makes onions an ideal choice for someone who is looking to take more control over their health without overcomplicating things or spending too much. Incorporating raw onion into your diet doesn't require a major lifestyle overhaul, just a simple tweak that can have lasting benefits. When thinking about meal planning, it's useful to remember that a small step can make a big impact. Adding a few slices of raw onion here and there might seem insignificant, but the cumulative effect of these small changes can lead to better overall health and stability in blood sugar levels over time. And when we think of managing diabetes, consistency is key. It's not about making a drastic, unsustainable change, but about finding practical ways to add more healthful components to your daily routine. Raw onion just happens to be an easy one to start with. If you're someone who's skeptical or hesitant about whether or not a raw onion can genuinely help, think of it this way. You've got nothing to lose and potentially a lot to gain. The science supports it, and history backs it up too. And remember, it's not about forcing yourself to eat large quantities. Even half an onion a day can be enough to start seeing the benefits, whether diced on a salad, chopped as a garnish, or eaten alongside your favorite dip. The health advantages are right there waiting for you. To sum it up, this simple yet powerful vegetable, the onion, has been hiding in plain sight, ready to support better blood sugar control without fuss or fanfare. Its antioxidants, prebiotic properties, and sulfur compounds work together to support insulin production and blood glucose metabolism. While the sharpness of raw onion may take some getting used to, the benefits far outweigh the initial bite. Why not give it a try? The next time you walk into your kitchen, let those onions become more than just a supporting character in your meal. Let them be part of your health strategy, a raw and natural way to take charge of diabetes.